autism. A child can come out of autism, but then it is only and only possible when the parents have a firm belief that yes, our child can come out of autism. And how the child can come out of autism? There are two strategies which we apply for that in every child. One, the Ayurveda part, the herbs part, and the second, the psychotherapy part. Now, the beautiful intermingling of both of those is really vital to bring a child out of this phase called autism. Do remember, this is very important for you as a parent to understand that, see, we are not just any ordinary Ayurvedic company. The biggest problem over there in Ayurveda is that in majority cases, when the parents are taking their kids for autism treatment, it is only the herbs which are being used. Since we call autism as a phase of mind, the phase where the child is particularly in a scenario where the child does not want. Yes, when I use the words want, I mean it. At least in 70 to 80% of the kids suffering from autism, there is no need, no desire. The need is not there because the parents are not creating the need for the child. They are not able to prove the child that, see, you need to be using those words. You need to socialize. We need not say it to the child. A child will not listen to what you are telling. If the child is in autistic phase, we need to prove it to the child. We need to show it to the child. So, one is creating a need, because otherwise it is more of a will issue also. In so many autistic kids, the parents, when they come to us, they will tell us that, see, he can say mama, he can say papa, but he is not saying me mama. He is not saying me papa. So that is why it becomes very important to understand that if your child is autistic, going for a stem cell therapy without any reason, there are so many parents who come to me for that we went for a stem cell therapy. Try to understand, stem cell therapy is only important for those autistic kids where there is some problem over there in the brain of the child, in the spinal cord of the child. Over there, if there is some nervous tissue damage, then definitely these stem cells can help your child. But if that's not the case, and that is not the case in majority of the kids, it's not going to help. Again, some parents are going for hyperbolic oxygenation, where high pressure oxygen is given to the brain of the child. Again, that is only important if there is some problem in the brain of the child. And always remember, we need to be knowing the reason. The first right step towards curing autism, towards bringing out a child from this phase called autism, is knowing the reason, understanding the strengths of a child, understanding the weaknesses of a child. Any child who is suffering from autism, any child, each autistic child is different. Some autistic child may be good at words, may not be good at socialization. Some autistic child may be very good in communicating, but the communication is a non-verbal communication. Some autistic child may be having an underlying organic brain disease due to which he is or she is autistic. There are so many reasons which can be underlying cause of autism.
Autism is a temporary phase in the life of a child if treated timely.
Patient name Parth, age 3 years, disease autism. Chief complaints: speech delay, hyperactivity, irritative behavior, less interaction, less understanding. The parents of the child consulted Dr. Navdeep Sharma on April 2023 at 1:09 p.m. and felt the scope of treatment to work for the child. He did not respond clearly and showed irritative behavior most of the times.
करो
आ जाएगा वो। कलर करो, वेरी गुड पार्ट, कलर करो। नो, इस हैंड से कर, वेरी गुड, इसके अंदर रख दो, वेरी गुड। पापा का हैंड, दीदी का हैंड पकड़ो, हैंड, चलो, वेरी गुड, खाओ, वेरी गुड। हेलो पेरेंट्स, पार्थ हेलो करो, हेलो करो। ये पार्थ है, मेरा बेटा, 4 साल का होने वाला है। लास्ट ईयर जुलाई में हम डॉक्टर नवदीप शर्मा सर के यहाँ पहुँचे थे। हमें एक सर ने मेरे बताया था सर के बारे में। हमने सोचा भी नहीं था कि आज 9 महीने में पार्थ मम्मा पापा हमसे बोलेगा इतनी जल्दी, हम तो मतलब बड़ा एक माँ पेरेंट्स के लिए एक रहता है कि कब हम मम्मा पापा सुनेंगे पार्थ के मुंह से। आज पार्थ मम्मा पापा और विद सेंस सब कुछ बोलता है भगवान की कृपा से और सर की मेडिसिन और सर के गाइडेंस से। आज 9 महीने में पार्थ एक नियर टू नॉर्मल लाइफ जी रहा है। और स्कूल में भी पार्थ प्ले ग्रुप में था, अभी जस्ट 15 दिन पहले ही पे स्कूल में मैम ने बोला कि पार्थ को हम नर्सरी में भेजेंगे। और जो सर ने जो लाइफ में हमारी खुशियाँ दी हैं, बहुत एक पेरेंट्स के लिए इससे ज़्यादा और क्या हो सकता है कि उसका बच्चा इतनी जल्दी और इतना अच्छा इम्प्रूवमेंट हो जाए, एक पेरेंट्स के लिए बहुत बड़ी बात है। थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू वेरी मच हमारी लाइफ में इतनी बड़ी खुशियाँ देने के लिए। थैंक यू एंडी निरोगम।
Call now to connect with world's senior most Ayurvedic healer, Dr. Navdeep Sharma, and gift your child autism-free life.